This lecture is about the law of reflection, which is one of the simplest laws in physics. Reflection is just light bouncing off of a surface, and when light is reflected off of a surface, its angle of incidence, the angle between the incoming light and a line drawn normal to the surface, is equal to the angle of reflection, which is the angle between the reflected light and a line drawn normal to the surface. Really simple rule. We can imagine these three beams of light hitting three different surfaces. And to predict the direction of the reflected light, we just have to draw a line normal to the surface. That just means at a 90-degree angle to the surface. And what this rule is saying is that the angle of incidence, the angle that the incoming ray is at in comparison to the 90-degree line, is equal to the angle of reflection. So this new angle of reflection shows us where that reflected light is going to appear. So the angle of the light coming in is equal to the angle of the light going out. Pretty simple. Just to visualize this a little bit more, we can imagine this incoming light and we can observe what happens to the reflected light as we turn this surface. So right now the light isn't actually impacting the surface at all, but as we turn the surface we can see how that affects the reflected light. So again, pretty straightforward. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.